Good morning. Good morning. One of the sweetest things that I've come to know about quilting is what happens around a quilting frame when you're sitting there with friends. A few years back, when I was still artist in residence at the John C. Campbell Folk School, I got this big idea that I was going to make this quilty banner that would greet folks as they came into the heart of campus. Only problem was I was leaving the next day, right? So I corralled a handful of good friends, sat around the frame, we got to quilting, and we got it done. There's something, and here's the sweet part, about that space that gets created. You've got your nose just inches from the quilt, right? And you got good friends just a few more inches on the other side. And the intimacy of that space is really special, almost sacred. And I've heard this from other folks too. It's like within minutes of sitting down at the frame, you find yourself accessing deep memories, cutting up about old times. And I think is indicative of a larger thing that happens inside the quilty tent. Because that's the nature of patchwork, right? That we take these disparate, misfit pieces of fabric and they find a common bond. They come together and they make something beautiful. And I think that's what happens when we create these spaces to just remember and to make together and spend time together. We remember, we have access to those moments of creative joy. We reconnect with that sense of belonging that's always been there, whether we could really feel it or not. We didn't do anything to earn it. It's just who we are in this family of makers. And that's the kind of space I'm hoping to create in Wonder Year in 2026. If you're already in, you're on the Nook, I hope you'll take some time with the meditation that just got posted. That'll be in the link below. Give yourself time to see what surfaces when you think about belonging in a creative community. How can belonging feel natural and easy? Because those moments, they're here. They can happen. I look forward to seeing you, maybe at Wonder Year, maybe on the Nook. Until then, sew some good.